Adding a cold case radiator to your 67 to 69 GMF body is a great way to cool your ride. With the start of the 1967 model year, a new muscle car styled by Bill Mitchell, codenamed XP836, was born. We know this car today as the Chevy Camaro, or its sibling, the Pontiac Firebird. Eventually, performance models arrived like the Z28 and Trans Am. Our radiators are direct fit for 67 to 69 Camaro and Firebird. We offer replacement or complete modules for small and big block cars in both automatic and manual transmission. Check out our Knight Rider Black series to get that restoration look, but with all the performance features. Speaking of performance, cold case radiators are fully TIG welded and constructed of 2 oversized cores and 16 fins per inch, keeping your ride cool while also increasing durability and cooling capacity over 4 core models. These radiators are designed to work with the factory fan and shroud, or you can upgrade to one of our electric fan and shroud kits. For those with high horsepower builds, we have an industry-first billet rad support module for standard NLS swap applications. These support modules provide strength to control flex and give off a high-tech Pro Touring look. Their design moves the radiator forward for most engine configurations and aftermarket front drives. They come fully assembled and include a billet support, cross-flow radiator, aluminum fan shroud, dual electric fans, and a billet cap. And we also offer the optional AC condenser for the ultimate cooling package. And like all cold case products, they're backed by a lifetime warranty. So for more information, check out coldcaseradiators.com or give us a call at 844-REAL-COLD to get your ride cold case cooled today.